I went to the mall today and I got Naruto Volume 35. Looks pretty cool. I like the cover. And then I got Blood Sea Volume 1. Something new to read. And I love this artwork. So yeah. And then I got Spice Wolf Volume 3. It's been so long since I got a Spice Wolf. It's sealed. And then I finally got Volume 4. So now I have 1 through 4 Spice Wolf. Pretty good. So yeah, this is sealed. Then I went to Target and I got a dog, a chew toy, headphones, a 3DS case, and a bracelet. So yeah, that's all I got.